The party plan that goes wrong.
My name is Tasha. I'm 16 and go to Maplewood High, a school full of drama, bad lighting, and the occasional good cafeteria cookie. I'm not loud, not athletic, not even particularly brave. But I notice things. I notice who smiles with their eyes and who doesn't. I notice which teachers are tired and which students are faking confidence. I like sitting at the back of the classroom near the windows, where the light hits my desk just right and I can draw in peace. I mostly sketch dragons, flowers, and faces I see in the hallway. I sit next to my best friend, Lila, every day in math. Mr. Daniels tells us to stop talking at least twice a class, but we can't help it. Lila is like a lightning bolt, wild, bright, impossible to ignore. She has curly hair that explodes like a lion's mane and a laugh that turns heads. She dreams of Broadway, glitter, red carpets, anything that sparkles. She lives with her dad and her little brother, Toby. Their house is full of toy dinosaurs, mismatched furniture, and love. Her mom left when she was 10, and even though she pretends it doesn't hurt anymore, I know it still does. Lila and I talk about one thing every day this week, the big party Friday night. And, of course, him. Jordan Rivers. 17. He plays guitar in the school band, writes his own songs, and somehow always smells like cinnamon gum and pine trees. He's not loud or flashy. He's still. Like a forest. Like if you got close enough, you might find something magical. He walks his two little sisters to school every day and volunteers at the animal shelter on Saturdays. He doesn't talk much, but when he does, people listen. Especially Lila and me. We both like him. And we both pretend we don't care that we both like him. We plan everything. Lila chooses her sparkly silver top, the one that makes her look like a disco ball in the best way. I borrow my sister Brianna's boots. Brianna is off at college studying fashion design. Her clothes smell like vanilla lotion and confidence. I try to soak up a little of both. The boots are way too big, but I wear them anyway. Lila and I skip lunch all week to look cute. I carry breath mints like a squirrel hoards acorns. At school, we walk past Jordan's locker 3 times. He doesn't notice. We pretend we don't care. But we do. There's another person who's always around Jordan. Megan Sparks. Megan is everything I'm not: tall, blonde, sharp, and glossy. Her family is rich, her smile is perfect, and her lip gloss glows under party lights like a secret weapon. She's head cheerleader and has her own parking spot at school. But I've seen her looking lonely when no one's watching. I hear she's really into photography, not the selfies she posts, but real, artsy stuff she hides on a second account no one talks about. Her mom is a former pageant queen who still calls Megan Miss Sparkle, and her dad is always traveling for work. Maybe she smiles so perfectly because she has to. By 7 p.m., Lila is at my house. We blast music in my tiny room, curl hair, add glitter, and delete 49 out of 50 selfies. Lila dances like she's already on stage. I mostly spin in circles and try not to trip. We walk into the party like it's a red carpet. But life laughs in our faces. I trip on the welcome mat. My borrowed boot squeaks like a rubber duck. People turn. Jordan is laughing, not with us, but with Megan. We head to the snack table to recover. I choke on a chip. Lila gulps punch too fast and starts hiccuping. Jordan notices, and laughs again. Then a slow song starts. Lila bumps my shoulder. Go ask him to dance. I breathe in, step forward, and disaster strikes. My big boot wobbles. I crash into the snack table. Punch spills down my shirt. Cold, red, sticky embarrassment. Megan laughs first. Then Jordan. Then half the room. Lila grabs my arm. Let's go. We walk out. My shirt smells like fruit punch and bad decisions. We sit on the curb. It's cold and quiet. Lila pulls her knees up to her chest. You know what? She says. Forget Jordan. I laugh, even though it comes out half sad. Let's go get fries. We head to Fry King, the only place open late. We order the biggest basket of fries they have and dip them in 5 sauces. Lila says, barbecue wins. We laugh until we cry. Not because we're heartbroken. But because we survived. Because it turns out the best night of our lives doesn't need boys, lip gloss, or parties. We post one selfie, no glitter, no filters. Just us. Covered in ketchup.
Moral of the story. Some parties flop. But true friendship? It always wins. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the story, go ahead and give this video a like. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more stories like this one. Vocabulary terms are up next. Feel free to pause the video to read at your own pace. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.